Hello, my name is Mike Hetman, and welcome to another edition of CMS Forex News. Today is Monday, January 7th, 2008. The dollar started the week gaining on its rivals in a bit of rebound from a rough session on Friday. The euro-dollar pair hit a low near 1.4655 during European trading, then reversed course after the Eurozone producer inflation report. The pair then fell again during New York trading. By 2 p.m. New York time, the dollar had gained about 70 pips from the week's open. Taking a look at the dollar-yen pair, we see that the dollar managed gains as well, reaching 109.72. That price matched last Thursday's high. After touching this resistance level around 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the pair reversed and gave back some of its gains. Overall, today's trading session showed the pair gaining for the first time in 7 sessions. The dollar jumped to a new 3-week high versus the Canadian dollar as lower commodity prices weakened the Canadian currency. There was also speculation that Canada's second-largest bank would have to write down loans tied to the subprime mortgage market. Today's gains follow a strong jump by the pair on Friday. Taking a look at the Australian dollar-yen pair, we see that the Aussie was able to climb from its 6-week low against the Japanese currency. The pair had declined 540 pips in the last 5 sessions. Today, the pair set a high at 95.92 and then retested support at 94.42. The New Zealand dollar also rose versus the yen overnight as investors believe that the two currencies with their higher interest rates will continue to attract investments funded by loans in Japan. Now let's turn our attention to some fundamental news. The New Zealand trade balance showed a wider deficit than anticipated, with November recording a $650 million shortfall between imports and exports. For December, an index of executive and consumer sentiment in the euro area slipped to 104.7, which is the lowest measure since March 2006. Expansion in Europe's services and manufacturing industries showed slowdown in last week's data, and price pressures threatened to prop up inflation. The consumer confidence reading fell to -9 for last month and is the lowest in nearly 2 years. The unemployment rate in the Eurozone remained at its record low of 7.2% as the European economy continues to support strong job growth. Also from the Eurozone, producer prices showed an increase of 0.8% month over month for November, while the annual change was 4.1%, the highest since December of 2006. The Eurozone has seen a strong rise of inflationary pressures the last couple of months, though the central bank has been hesitant to raise rates to combat because of the effects it may have on economic growth. In upcoming releases tomorrow, the Eurozone will reveal retail sales figures, while in the UK we get the BRC Retail Sales Indicator. Germany will post factory orders data, and in the US we get pending home sales and consumer credit figures. And that's the news for Monday. For CMS Forex, I'm Mike Hetman, and thank you for joining us.